Hello, in today's video, I will show you on how to import free asset from Unity Asset Store. So let's begin. The first step is, of course, you need to start a new project. Select 3D and let's rename it to Import Unity Asset Store. You need to wait for a while and now let's build a space, maybe a living area. First, I will make the floor maybe 20 by 20. Now create one material for the floor. Choose Legacy Shaders, then Diffuse. Now you download a seamless image suitable for the floor, and I usually go for the square or 1:1 ratio image. Just choose any image and import it to the Unity by just dragging it from the folder. Drag it here and then drag the material we create to the floor. You can just adjust the tiling to make it realistic. Now Ctrl D or duplicate the floor to make some walls, adjust the height, and let's put some color on the wall. Adjust lighting and make more walls. Now to import some asset from the asset store, click on the asset store tab here. Then click this blue button of search online. You can do this way or you can just Google assetstore.unity.com. I will type in furniture. For now, just select free assets. And there are a lot of good quality free assets here, but you just need some time to check them. Just to show you here, I will just go for this one. Click add to my asset, then accept and open in Unity. Now this tab will pop out and click download. After that, click on import. You can select what are the things you want and you don't want by clicking this box here. I will just go and import all. After some time, all the items will be under your project tab here. Now let's see what we have. We have a chair here, so as you can see here, the material and the models are separate, so you need to drag the material into the model. So I will now drag the curtain, but it is just too small, so I need to change the scale factor here. You can just try an error. Just drag everything you have here. Easy, right? think I need a wall frame here. Let's find one from the asset store. Now let's put some nice wallpaper. It is similar to how you create the material for the floor just now. Just for now, you select a picture that is suitable for the wall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friend. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye.